Lesson 10. You already have the value, Claude just multiplies it. AI does not create your gifting, it multiplies it. If you bring nothing real, Claude multiplies nothing, just faster, prettier nothing. That's why so many people use AI for a year and get nowhere. You're not those people. You've done real work for real years. 80% of people consume, scroll, watch, follow. 20% produce, write, build, ship, sell. Producers make the money. Claude has removed a lot of the barrier to production. What used to need a team now needs a laptop and a Claude subscription. You can have everything you want if you help enough people get what they want. Claude has just lifted the ceiling on how many people you can serve without burning out, without hiring. Write this now. The specific value I bring to the people I serve is not your job title. The thing a client would actually say about you to a friend. I'm unusually good at reading a buyer's hesitation. I make complicated retirement plans feel simple. Save this. We turn it into your Claude Voice Profile next lesson. Stuck on your value statement? Tell Claude, ask me questions one at a time until we land on my real value statement. It's a genuinely good interviewer, better than staring at a blank page. Money is a good servant, a terrible master. Reclaim time and income. Create options on the days you need them most. A parent gets sick, a calling demands a sacrifice. Multiplication works on 0-2. If there's nothing real underneath, Claude just makes the nothing faster. Make sure Lesson 9's audit and this video's value statement are both honest. Write your value statement. Save it. It becomes your voice profile in Lesson 11. Claude multiplies real value. It doesn't create it from nothing. Producers make the money and the barrier to producing just got a lot lower. Name your value clearly before we build anything on top of it.